In this video, I'm going to show you the full tutorial on how to set up your API key and how to use it and run AlgoBee crypto futures bot. So don't forget, I remain your friend Milan AI Trading. So go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like and share the video. So before we dive into this tutorial, navigate yourself to your browser and then search, for example, Bybit. Now here is the Bybit dashboard. So now navigate yourself to your profile and click on it. It will take you to this portal. Now navigate yourself to API and then click on API. This portal will now appear. Now navigate yourself to create new key and then click on it. It will now appear this interface here. Now click on system generated API keys. It will now appear this portal. Now under the API remark, add your API name, for example. Then select read and write. Coming to this section, I'm going to select no IP restriction for demonstration purpose. Take note, if you choose no IP restriction, you are going to be updating your API in every 3 months. It is recommended to choose to ban the IP address, which is going to be the server IP address of your trading bot. So if you wish to ban your IP address, then request for the IP from us. Then scroll down. Under this section, if your account type is unified, then you click on unified trading. But if your account type is different, click on spot and derivative trading. Then under this section, you have to make sure that the read and write is allowed on orders, positions, and USDC derivative trading. Also trade. Then scroll down. Do not allow transfer or withdrawal in this section, which is the asset. Then when you are done with all, click on submit and follow the instruction to complete your API creation, SMS verification, and you can see Google Authenticator, get the code and complete your API creation. So when you are done, you will see a notification, key successfully added. Now on the screen, you can see API key right here. This is the API key and this is the API secret key. We are going to be using this API key to connect your AlgoBee crypto futures bot. Keep this API key and API secret key secret. Do not share it with anybody. So now that we have done creating our API key, click the link on the description of this video and get 10% discount of this trading robot. After you have done clicking the link, it will take you automatically to Telegram for you to run the AlgoBee robot. So now exactly, this is the Telegram page and we are going to start and run the robot right now. This is what we have been doing since, I won't say it's our own idea, but it's a combination of other traders which come together and we are able to come up with the best crypto futures robot. So now let's click on start so that we can be able to run this trading robot. Then provide your first and your last name. Provide your email address. Send. Then provide your country. Click here to read the instruction and terms and conditions on how to use this trading robot. Click on setting to link your exchange. Click on exchange, none. At this point, you have to provide your exchange API key. So this is the API key. At this point, you are going to input your API secret key. So comment here, some of the exchange will require a passphrase. So if your exchange require a passphrase, type it here. So in the case of my exchange, there's no passphrase required. Then wait for it to connect to your exchange. So currently, right now, it is connected to my Bybit exchange. So let's try and refresh it again. So currently I have 44.56 USDT. The trade all pairs is the option that you can allow if you have enough margin to trade all the pairs in your exchange. So I do not recommend using the trade all pairs. The trade alert allows your robot to send notification whenever it executes trades or exit any position. You can turn on the trade alert so that you can be able to receive notification whenever your robot executes trade. You can also turn on the aggressive mode. So now we are going to set our trading size. Okay, for example, let's say 8 USDT. So we have changed the size right now to 8 USDT. Then click on bot instances. So now create an instance in which by sending a pair that you want your robot to trade. Okay, now let's wait for the instances to be added. So now it successfully created the instances right now. Click on the menu right here and then click on bot instances. Now here is the property of the instance as well as the profit so far. This profit is based on 3 days period. So now you can go ahead and add other instances by sending the pairs you want your bot to trade. Click on menu, click on get position so that you can be able to see all the positions. That's all the tutorial on how to run AlgoBee crypto futures bot. So I remain your friend Milan AI Trading. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, like and share. Bye for now.